Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you an unboxing video of the succulents I purchased from Benguet. So my seller is on Facebook. The seller's name is Mountain Harvest Succulents, formerly Nieves C and S. So this video is not sponsored by the seller. I bought the succulents with my own money, and I just want to share with you the unboxing process so that we can all see how the suckies look like when shipped from the highlands to here in the lowlands. So if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. And so as you can see, I already unboxed the freebies. I have 7 free plants all in all, and these are the main plants that I purchased. My freebies are this campfire, this is barbecue, this is variegated kiwi, so pretty, chroma, this one's chroma, this one's cat's claw, this is jadelet, and I don't know what exactly is this plant's ID, but it's like mabalahipo. Actually, I already have all of these. Yung binigyan na freebie sa akin, I already have 2 chromas, and this will be the 3rd in my collection, as well as a campfire, my 2nd barbecue, but actually this is just an ordinary barbecue. I have the variegated one. I also have 1 variegated kiwi in my collection and 1 jadelet. This will be the 2nd one, so as the cat's claw. Now it's time to unbox these babies. I bought 10 suckies. So the first sucky, what, grabe yung pagkakabalot nila ng tissue, as in. But I don't throw away the tissue, I set them aside, I recycle them. This is leopard. Yan. Remove natin yung dried leaves. Yan, very pretty. And yung tissue, reset aside ko din sila because I will recycle them whenever I need them. Pampunas-punas ng mga kailangan punasan. Next, saki. Oh my gosh. This is, I believe this is money maker. Variegated money maker. Oh my gosh, looks pretty. It's smaller in person. It's smaller than I expected, but it's still pretty. And money maker, variegated money maker. Next, saki. What's this? May lumalabas na, but I really have no idea still what this is. Sometimes plant unboxing is fun to do kasi parang surprise. You don't know what plant you're gonna open, just gonna judge it based on its size. Gosh, look at this. I believe this is pinky trumpet. Look at the dried leaves though. Is this? Yes, it is. Pinky trumpet. Or trumpet pinky, I don't know. not sure. They interchanged the words. So there are a few dried leaves that I'm going to remove later. But for now, this is Pinky Trumpet or Trumpet Pinky. No signs of... oh, meron. Mealybugs. Because I believe this type of succulent is mealybug prone. But yeah, still is pretty. Okay, next. Okay, oh my god, so big. Ito muna. Oh my gosh, this is super bomb. It's so cute in person though, but in the picture it looks big. It looks huge. Oh, I thought it's huge in person as well, but it's very cute. Look at my hand. Yan, parang rose. But yeah, this is super bomb. I still don't have super bomb in my collection. That's why I bought it. Pretty though. No dried leaves, but a few mushy ones, and there are tissue marks all over it, but still in good condition. Did you see a leaf fallen? But it's already mushy, so I believe this won't survive as a leaf propagation. Next, Saki. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh. Is this Nevada? It's bigger than I expected. In the pictures, it looks very small. Since this is just 60 pesos, I thought it's going to be very, very small. Like crazy. It's huge. Look. It fits my palm. That's my palm. And this Nevada. Looks very pretty. It looks almost perfect in person. Which I'm so happy with. Nevada, 60 pesos only, but very pretty. So next, Saki. I don't know what this is. Look at the peeking through. It's getting dark already. Yeah, okay. Let's totally remove all tissue. See, this it is. Look at that. This is Benguet, I think. I can't exactly remember the ID, but it sounds like it. Some say that it looks similar to Nevada, but I don't think so. I almost regret buying this, but in person it's so pretty. It's so worth the price. Look at them. They kind of look similar though, but I think Benguet is unique. Each Saki is unique though. Yeah. It has 3 heads. I think, yeah, 3. It's so huge. Oh, mushy leaves. So 4 more Sakis to go. Already unfinished unboxing 2, 4, 6 Sakis. Let's do this. Oh my gosh. This is Echeveria Brave. Look at this cutie pie. It has 3 heads. 1, 2, 3. So cute. I really love this. Look, mushy leaves, but it's normal for shipped Sakis from Benguet. Okay, I'll remove them later. Okay, third to the last Saki. Oh, what's this? Oh my gosh. This is Sun Cup. This is kind of expensive, but I'm not sure if this will survive. Look at that. It doesn't look good. Okay, in person, obviously, I don't know if you can see it in camera. But, yeah, Too many falling leaves. I'm not sure if this will still survive though. Maybe I'll ask the seller. But this is sun cup for the meantime. Yan. Anyway, we'll just ask the seller if sun cup is still buhay, or can it be still planted, or can it still survive? Oh my gosh, I'm disappointed with sun cup. Maybe maselan lang talaga siya sa shipping, but actually the seller shipped my my suckies last Monday, and now it's just Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 4 days. 4 days? Okay, look at this baby. This is Nodulusa. Yan eh. It's still kind of shy. But this one's very pretty. It has no mushy leaves, no dried leaves. Nodulusa. We're down to the last sucky. It's the owl skull. I really love her owl skull because when you see it in pictures, it's very small. But in person, look at that, girl. It's so big. There's 2 heads. It's so strong. It's so huge. Oh my gosh. That's all the sakis I bought. Excuse the dried leaves. Here they are. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the quality, and the shipping is kind of fast. There's just one plant that I'm kind of disappointed with, but hopefully this will still survive this sun cup. But overall, yes, they're very beautiful. Actually, it depends on the type of plant that you bought. Kung maselan siya or strong siya, siguro si Suncup maselan sa shipping. Plus the freebies, the very beautiful freebies. 10 sakis plus 7 freebies with the price. I think it's worth it. I already have 17 sakis for how many pesos only? Thumbs up. I'm a happy and satisfied buyer. And that is it, guys, for my unboxing video. And if you like this video, well, I hope you do, don't forget to click the like button, and I'll see you guys on our next video.